Well, looky what we have here. Reverse repo numbers, new record. 1,621,097,000,000. Holy crap. Yeah, we just broke the all-time high record. If we look historically at the chart right here, we can see that back on the last day of the fiscal year for the government, which was September 30th, 2021, we had a all-time high of 1,604,881,000,000, and then kind of haven't gotten quite there until today, where we surpassed that number at 1,621,097,000,000 with 85 counterparties. Interest rate still 0.05. Keep in mind the Fed's supposed to come out and talk about interest rates supposedly in about 38 minutes. So my guess is that they're going to come out, they're going to say the debt ceiling's been raised, inflation's transitory, and the market's going to pamp into power hour and through the rest of the day. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but considering there is a gap on the daily chart, gap down that filled yesterday and the day before, in part, I have a feeling that we could see uptrend after Jerome comes out and talks. So let's see what happens. Y'all have a good one.